In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to copy and paste a Bitcoin address on Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your phone, you might be able to find the Bitcoin option when looking at your finances or your wallet/cash option. In there, you can click on Bitcoin to expand and see details, including the option to send and receive, deposit and withdraw, buy and sell Bitcoin. You have a custom address attributed to your name that you can share to others to receive and send Bitcoin. Is there a way to copy this address? All you have to do is hold on the address when you go over to the Bitcoin tab, and you can paste it anywhere else. Likewise, if you are trying to paste someone else's Bitcoin address, they simply have to hover over the address, hold down on it, copy, and then send it to you, and you will be able to instantly paste it on your app. I hope I was able to help you on how to copy and paste Bitcoin address on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.